Okay.
Look at those big boys. Look at those big boys.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yep.
What are you going to be in 3rd grade?
No, I don't know that. But let's move you around a bit, Tom. Right?
How about you, Monkey?
I'm excited.
Let's walk down to your classroom. Come on.
And
I have to run out and get Gabriel.
oh, do you want to pick something in the locker?
Hunty. Put your stuff away.
And your snack has to go in the cubby on the inside. Do you want to take your shirt off and put it in here? Hot?
Do you know what? Maybe you got the sleeves in there too.
Here, you put it right inside your backpack. Then we'll put them together. Right there.
You know what, Rabbit? I think you have to take your snack out.
No.
Bring it in class. Into your cubby.
And
Here. Grab your snack, please. That's so handsome. Right here, Rabbit.
I'm messing up.
Big backpack, huh? Okay. This goes in your class.
Oh, I wish Sam was in my place.
Sam from Dublin?
No, the Sam from 1st grade.
Oh, I wish
Sam's upstairs.
Oh, bummer. You'll see him at recess
Yeah.
and lunch.
We just never got together. Mama, we've never got together and actually played together.
You went to his house with a climbing wall.
Yeah.
We'll help Sam over. All right, guys. Say bye.
We'll see you at 3.
Okay.
Bye.